Hi guys, today I want to show you how I made this miniature apartment. You will need a lot of cardboard. The cardboard I'm using is very sturdy. As you can see, it has 2 layers and it is about 1 centimeter thick. Start by cutting out a big wall according to those measurements, and now draw the layout of the windows and cut them out. Cover the wall in the paper of your choice and cut out lots of paperboard strips for the window frames and the skirting boards. Turn the wall around and cover the other side in paper that looks like a brick wall. Since this is going to be the outside of the apartment, I've decided to paint the window frames on this side black. Cut out more paperboard strips and glue them around the window like a frame, 2 on each side, and leave about 1 centimeter space between the paperboard strips and the edge of the window. Now place more paperboard strips on top of the frame horizontally and vertically so that they can hold clear plastic or a picture. Place clear plastic in the frame to make fake window glass. I wanted to be able to remove it or add a nice picture, which is why I didn't glue it down. Repeat the steps to make the other windows and cover any visible paperboard with brick wallpaper. This is the inside again. I'm placing marble contact paper on the visible part of the bathroom wall. You won't be able to see this part because this is where the bathtub will go and there will be another wall, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Cut out another big piece of cardboard according to those measurements and cover it in contact paper to make the floor. Feel free to use other types of flooring like popsicle sticks or fabric. I left the square without contact paper because I don't want a wooden bathroom floor. Attach the wall to the floor. You will now need to make another wall for the left side of the apartment. Unfortunately, my camera stopped recording for that part without me noticing. But you just have to cut the exact same big window on a piece of cardboard that is 75 centimeters long and 60 centimeters wide, and repeat the steps to finish the wall. And now cut a door in the wall that goes on the other side of the apartment. Take the piece of cardboard that fits into the doorway, cover it in contact paper, make a small cut, and use 2 split pins to make the door handle. Use toothpicks to attach the door to the door frame, but before you can attach the lower part, you will have to glue the wall to the apartment floor and then push the other toothpick through the floor into the door. Cover a piece of cardboard in marble contact paper to make the bathroom floor. Glue in another wall along with 2 strips of cardboard at the same height to support the second floor. Cut out several pieces of foam board that are 10 centimeters long and 3 centimeters wide, cover them in contact paper to make steps and glue them to the wall. Now you will need a big piece of foam board to make the ceiling and LED fairy lights. Spread them out, use a pencil to mark where you want the light bulbs to be, poke holes into the ceiling and push in the fairy lights. Glue 1 strip of cardboard on each wall to support the ceiling. Place the foam board on top and glue 2 more cardboard strips on top of that, one on the left side and the other one on the right side. Make sure to glue them to the wall and not to the foam board ceiling, since you want to be able to pull the ceiling out and access the fairy lights. And now it's time to decorate the apartment. I'm using a kitchen from a previous video, which I will link in the info box. I made a couple of changes, like painting the kitchen white and placing the sink somewhere else. I will also put the link to the video of the sofa and the bedroom in the info box and make a separate video for the bathroom, which I will link down below as soon as I upload it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!